In this video, we can see a car driving at a normal speed, staying in its own lane. The driver has no idea that even though they are doing everything right, someone else's mistake is about to turn this routine drive into a dangerous accident. As soon as the car moves a little further ahead, another vehicle attempts to overtake a truck without taking proper precautions, ignoring the fact that a car could be coming from the opposite direction. This is a reminder that whenever you overtake, always make sure the road ahead is completely clear before making the move. In this video, we can see a car approaching from the side, completely unaware that another vehicle is coming from the same direction. But this driver clearly knew that a car was coming from ahead and could have slowed down. Instead, he kept his speed up and decided to release all his at-home anger right here on the road. In situations like this, please be careful. Even if someone else makes a mistake, show responsibility, stay calm, and drive with caution. In this video, we can see a vehicle suddenly making a U-turn without checking whether another car is coming. And then, exactly what everyone fears happens. On the road, no amount of safety is ever enough. One mistake, and there is no forgiveness. In this video, we can see a sharp turn where visibility is not clear if a vehicle is coming from the opposite side. A car approaches from one direction while a truck comes from the other. Because of the blind spot, the car driver crashes directly into the truck. Whenever you approach such a turn, slow down your speed and drive with extreme caution. In this video, we can see cars speeding on the road, when suddenly a truck swerves dangerously from the side, putting lives at risk and ends up on the main road. Luckily, the cars managed to brake just in time, otherwise it could have caused a serious accident. Whenever you're on the road, stay alert to avoid such dangerous situations. Thanks for watching.